Okay, watch out.
Hi.
That wasn't a real good
I know.
light out there.
Okay, well, guess what? We're going to prom. We visited everybody's parents, and we're ready to go to prom. Prom started about half an hour, 45 minutes ago. We're never going to get there if I stand here and give my complete monologue.
This is for your mom.
Okay. Hi.
Okay.
Age 17 and 2 months. Bye-bye. Bye, Mary. Let me get her in the picture.
Okay. Good idea.
Someday Mary's going to prom, too.
Okay, this you better. Stop it, don't.
Okay, that's a real good close-up.
Okay. Okay.
Both of you.
Bye-bye.
Matt, I'm going to
Bye-bye.
Lindsay, better go.
Get here.